Maraming sabi they're Christian and yet they're living their own lives in wickedness. And it happened to them according to the true proverb. A dog returned to its own vomit, and a sow after washing returns to wallowing in the mire. Walang pagbabago ng nature. Parang ganito, sa labas, ginawa mo na, nilinis mo na. Yung baboy, hugasan mo yan, paliguan mo yan, tapos babalik lang ulit siya sa putikan. Paano yan malinisan talaga? Linisan mo yan, katayin mo yan, tanggalin mo yung balahibo, litsunin mo, kikintab yan. Because unless you die to yourself, you'll never have the real nature that God wants you to become. Kaya alam nyo may resulta. Don't fool yourself saying, I'm a Christian, I attend service, I prayed to receive Jesus. If there is no real reality of the divine nature in you, loving Him, desiring Him, doing things because of your great love for Him, perhaps wala talaga relasyon sa Diyos and you will just get back to the mire.